Hello everyone, I am Annie here, and yeah, today I would like to share with you all my new project that inspired from this is a swap from one of my friend from France, and yeah, so I create a big size. Nala. Okay, I'll show you how mine look like. So yeah, this is the fabric, and I created and I hang this plaster piece teacup that one of my sweet friend, yeah, I asked her to purchase from me from Germany. Yeah, and this is my handmade, and the let me to show you. Okay, all the plaster pieces is white color. What I did is I just paint it with the distress ink, like so. So this is the first page, and this is my handmade, yeah, it's the cardstock spoon that I created, and the teacup. And I purchased the digital image from Etsy shop, and I will pop a link below the description box. And all this is all from the mold that I molded out. It's always tea time, and I also paint it with the acrylic paint here. And inside the insert, I just create the tag and the tea bag here. This is the bag here. So like so, and I just tuck in into the tea cup, and I put the to that here, and layer with the lace down here. Okay, like so. And this is the first page. The back, I didn't do anything, and this one another cupcake. I paint it with the acrylic paint and put the glitter on the top, like so. And this is the first page, and all the images, and I enlarge the size and print out on the fabric, and layer with the felt. So I cut it out and put the glitter, you can see, and layer. And this is another teacup piece from the mold. I mold it out, and underneath another image, this one, and the tag. And see, all I layer with all the different teacup and the macaron. And underneath is I print out the fabric, this pattern, and layer with the felt, like so, and the button here, and layer with the trim and the eyelet lace, like so. This is first page, and this is another page here, and layer the teapot and the spoon here, and the tea bag here. This is the tea bag, and the teddy bear. This one I forget to put the glitter. Yeah, and you can see around here is the rosette trim in white, and also with the eyelet lace. Okay, and this one is another page here, and also layer with all these images that I purchased from Etsy shop. And underneath is the doily, and I layer this image here, another teacup on top here, and I print out the fork and the macaron here, you can see. Okay, like so, and layer with the different trim. And this one is the same, is the tiny rose, yeah, rosette trim in white, like so. And another page here, and this page here, like so. Another pattern in green. This one, that one is pink layer with the macaron that I print out, and another teacup, a teapot, and the teacup that I molded out, and the spoon, tiny spoon, is the cardstock that I print out in the small size. And the tag that I print out here and put the bow like so, and the teddy bear, and the underneath is this same pattern and layer with this braided trim round. Okay, this is the page, and another page here is the teacup. This is the large teacup here, and also I hang this cupcake here with the tiny cupcake, and the tea bag, and put the trim underneath the skirt here, dress, another spoon, and the cupcake, and also insert with the tag here, another tag here like so. Okay, and the back, okay, just simple like so, another spoon here, and the teacup, cupcake I mean. Okay, and this is another page. Okay, you see it? Another page here with the big piece of the plaster that I molded in the use the mold, and also you can see I just use some pink and green to just to touch up. Okay, and I hang this little tiny spoon here with the bow and the trim. This one I have to layer again because I just use a very thin cardstock to make this one, and maybe I would layer again another layer. And this is the cupcake, 3 tier of cupcake, and I just put the glitter. You can see the shimmer, glitter like so. Okay, and put underneath another image here, and the tag, this one, cupcake underneath here, and this side you can see just cupcake, and another tiny cupcake that I molded out with the tiny, this is so cute. Okay, and this two is the last 2 page here, and another page of the teacup and cupcake, just layer with the different of the cake and cupcake and the teddy bear and the tag behind, and the tiny rosette trim. Okay, and this is the last page like so, and this is the stack cup, teacup, and the spoon, and the macaron I layer like so, and the 3 different tag that I did. This is just just print the front and layer with the trim here, and another tag here is the macaron, and this one is the teapot, and a little teddy bear and 2 doves, just like so. This is my latest project, and the kit that I sell it in my Facebook group. So that's it. I really hope you all like this, and and please stay tuned for my another videos. I will post it to you all. This is my another it's the Easter project. So thanks again for everyone, and if you like this project, and just give me a big thumbs up. And love you all, and just take care and stay safe, and bye bye.